I'm about to show you guys my new TikTok ad strategy, and we'll cover everything from launching your product to scaling it up to thousands of dollars every single day. My name's Alex if you're new, and without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. So you guys should already have a winning product in mind that you want to test on TikTok, but I'm gonna go ahead and search for products that are doing thousands of dollars on TikTok every single month right now. So I'll go to Zik, I'll click their product explorer tool, I'll select this TikTok tab right here under ad channels. For revenue, we'll type in 10,000, we'll click search. So we're finding products that are doing at least $10,000 a month on TikTok right now. So we can see all of these products down here that match our criteria. I'll scroll through this list until I find something I want to sell. So I did come across this brand right here, the original Galaxy Rose. We can see they have 5 products and they're doing over $28,000 in revenue every single month. They're selling those light up LED roses that you can see right here. That's a product that performs well every single year around this time. Same thing with this rose bear right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this product, even though it's doing a little under 10,000 a month. It's doing around 7,700. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this product right here. Even though it's doing less than that $10,000 a month, it's doing around 8,000. This is still a really good product to sell right now. Now to build your store, you can actually grab an AliExpress link and you can paste it right into an app like Atlas to have it build your store entirely for you in under 5 minutes. This is by far the fastest way to start. And this is what I usually do when I'm launching a new store and don't have the time to spend hours editing everything. So now we have an $8,000 a month product selected and a nice professional store built around it. Let's go ahead and create some UGC ads to run on TikTok now. So to create our UGC ads, we need to start with an AI influencer. We can create one entirely from scratch using an AI image generator like Nano Banana. So I'm gonna start by uploading a photo of our product. You can take these right off of AliExpress. Typically you wanna find a blank white background photo just like this. We'll click done. We'll make sure our model is Nano Banana Pro. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better results you'll get. But I said create a photorealistic influencer holding this product, the rose teddy bear. We'll go down here, we'll make sure our resolution is 4K. We want the highest quality possible, and we'll go ahead and generate it. So here's what I came up with. This is a really high quality photo of an AI influencer holding this product. You can't even tell it's AI generated. Now this is a really good starting point because as soon as you have one of these AI influencers, you can create unlimited videos around them. And you can create as many of these influencers as you would like to. You can create a man and a woman, old or young, any type of demographic that you want promoting your product. So when you guys have your AI influencer created, we're gonna go ahead and bring it to life using an AI video generator like Sora 2. So I'll log into my video generator, we'll click image to video right here. For our model, we'll go ahead and make sure we have Sora 2 selected. Your start frame image, you wanna go ahead and upload that image that we just created. You're gonna have to reduce the file size because this one's a little bit too big. For your prompt, same thing. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better results you're gonna get. So you can say something like create a UGC style video around this influencer to promote this product, the rose teddy bear. I said have her smiling, talking about how much she loves it. For your duration, you can change it from anywhere between 4, 8, and 12 seconds. We want the most. For aspect ratio, since this is a UGC style video, we do want portrait. And for our resolution, we'll go ahead and leave that at 720p. So let's go ahead and generate this video. And here's our completed AI UGC video. This took about 5 minutes to make.
This is absolutely gorgeous. I love how soft the roses are and the color is just perfect. It's the sweetest gift.
That looks so good. And we created all of this from just a blank white background photo that we took from AliExpress. It's crazy that we can take these simple images and create as many videos as we want around them. So go ahead and create as many influencers as you want promoting your products. And then make sure you have at least 3 to 10 of these videos created. That gives you a really good starting base. And of course, you can clean all of these up in CapCut. You can give them captions, B-roll, or anything else that you want to. But AI can make all of this. So you no longer have to steal content from your competitors and risk lawsuits or reach out to countless influencers and have them promote your products. You can create videos like this in just 5 minutes. So like I said, 3 to 10 videos is a really good starting point to test your product with. Once you have those created, let's go ahead and move over to TikTok now. All right, so now we're here in the TikTok Ads Manager. I'm gonna click on the green Create Ad button. You wanna make sure you have sales selected. You're gonna click website, make sure you have Smart Plus campaign. For your campaign name, you can call it whatever you want. I'll call it Rose Bear Test 1. Call it $50, that's gonna be our ad budget. We'll click continue. Now this is where we set up our actual ad group. You wanna make sure you have website selected for your optimization location. Your goal has to be conversion. Make sure you have your pixel selected right there. And of course, for your optimization event, you always want purchase. You can set a target cost per action. So right here, it's saying we want around $15 cost per purchase. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this blank and let TikTok optimize for us. It's automatically gonna try to get you the lowest cost per purchase anyways. For our daily budget right here, we're gonna go ahead and do $50 a day as our starting budget. And for schedule, we always want our ads to get a fresh start the following day. So I'm gonna schedule them for tomorrow to start at midnight. Or since we're running on TikTok, you can do something like 8 a.m. or anything similar. So you wanna make sure you have start time selected. You don't wanna set an end time. So United States, all languages. For placements right here, we're gonna turn off video download. We don't want other dropshippers downloading our video, but we can ignore everything else and click continue. Now we're gonna set up our actual ads. So you can give the name ad 1 or creative 1. This is gonna be our first ad creative that we made. You can scroll down here to where it says create ads. For destination, you want website selected. And then right here under URL, you're gonna paste the URL for your landing page. You don't want your home page, your contact us page, or anything else. You want your landing page so customers can go right on it to complete their purchase. So after you paste your URL, right here under creative assets, you're gonna click create new videos. And this is where you're gonna upload those videos that we just made. After you upload all of those, you can give it a call to action, and then you can upload all of the text that's actually displayed on your TikTok. For your call to action, you wanna go ahead and deselect all of those and make sure you have shop now selected. That's the only one that makes sense with this. Then like I already mentioned, go ahead and give your ad some text. You could say something like 50% off sale ends tonight, or claim your 50% off plus free shipping. The most important part right here are your ad creatives, not the actual text that's displayed on there. So when you have all of your ads uploaded and your campaign ready to go, click publish all. And that way we're gonna test all of our ad creatives against each other to see which one performs the best. Now the great thing with TikTok ads is that you should know on day one whether a campaign is gonna be profitable or not. If it starts generating sales, you have a good campaign. And if it doesn't, it's time to kill it and move on to the next product or the next ad creatives. Now these campaigns are spending $50 a day. So if you have a campaign that's performing well the following day and is generating sales consistently, go ahead and duplicate it 5 more times. So we're gonna have 5 campaigns running at $50 a day for a total of $250 a day in ad spend. Now, once you have your 5 ad creatives running, you wanna monitor the results of them every single day. All of these campaigns are targeting different pockets of TikTok and just overall learning who to show your ads to. So you wanna monitor each campaign and make sure it's profitable from day one. You're gonna have some campaigns that perform better than others and some that just don't perform at all. The campaigns that aren't generating any sales, go ahead and kill those from day one. But your better performing campaigns that are generating tons of conversions, go ahead and scale those up. You wanna increase the ad budget on those 20 to 50% every single day. After a while, your creative's performance will die down and not perform as well. That's called creative fatigue. That's when you just need to cycle in new creatives into the mix. You can create new avatars or new videos and angles around the avatars you already made. But TikTok will instantly show you which videos are winners and which ones are losers and need to be cut. Now, this is a very simple process from finding a product and launching it on TikTok, but it can be replicated with any winning product out there. All right, that's by far the best strategy for launching products on TikTok in 2026. Like I already mentioned, you guys should know by day one whether a campaign is worth scaling or not. And of course, always be quick to cut your losers. Otherwise, you're gonna spend thousands of dollars on ads and get nothing in return. So if you found any value in this video, be sure to drop a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of helpful resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.